Imagine waking up one morning and the sun is gone. Not hidden by clouds, not an eclipse, just vanished. No sunlight, no warmth, just an eerie black sky and silence. But what happens next? Would we freeze instantly? Would Earth fly off into space? In this video, we'll explore the science. What would really happen if the sun suddenly disappeared? Get ready. The answers might surprise you. You're watching Cosmic Curiosity, where we unravel the mysteries of space and science. Hit subscribe and let's journey into the unknown. Let's start with this. If the sun disappeared right now, we wouldn't even notice it for over 8 minutes. Why? Because light from the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So, we'd still see daylight, temporarily. But here's the twist. It's not just light. Gravity also travels at the speed of light. So, for those 8 minutes, Earth would still orbit where the sun used to be, completely unaware of what's coming. At exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the sky would go black. Even if it's noon, the stars would become visible instantly. No sunset. And Earth would be released from the sun's gravity. Without the sun's gravitational pull, Earth would fly off in a straight line, a concept known as Newton's first law of motion. Right now, we orbit the sun in a curved path. But remove the sun, and there's nothing to pull us inward anymore. So, Earth begins drifting through space, in the direction it was already moving. But what does this mean for life on Earth? In the first few hours, the temperature would stay somewhat stable. The oceans and atmosphere act like heat batteries, slowly releasing stored warmth. But within a week, global temperatures would drop to below freezing. Within a year, the surface of Earth would hit minus 73 degrees Celsius, minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans would freeze from the top down, but thanks to water's insulating properties, liquid water might still remain deep below the ice for centuries. But don't get too comfortable. As temperatures plummet, plants would die. Photosynthesis stops without sunlight. Oxygen levels would eventually fall, and herbivores would run out of food. Within months, most surface life would perish. But, interestingly, some forms of life might survive. And, quote, most infantile cities are less. Life is less and quiet. See, deep-sea creatures near hydrothermal vents wouldn't even notice. Microbes, fungi, and extremophiles in underground environments could go on for thousands of years. Humans? Only if we're prepared. We'd need underground bunkers, artificial light, food stores, and geothermal or nuclear power. Basically, a sci-fi doomsday bunker becomes humanity's last hope. But this isn't just about Earth. The entire solar system would fall apart. Planets would drift into deep space, like cosmic debris. The moon would continue orbiting Earth for a while. I haven't been back without any effect. But with no sun, its orbit might decay or change over time. And in deep space, Earth might encounter rogue planets, asteroid belts, or worse, black holes. With no sunlight, no seasons, no gravity anchor, Earth becomes a wandering orphan planet, lost in the void. Okay, now the big question. Could this actually happen? In short, no, not like this. There is no known force or phenomenon that could suddenly make the sun vanish. However, the sun will die eventually. but not for another 5 billion years. It will expand into a red giant, engulf Mercury and Venus, possibly Earth, and then shrink into a white dwarf, glowing faintly for trillions of years. So don't panic, but do stay curious. The sun is our lifeline, our cosmic campfire, and without it, life as we know it would vanish in the blink of a cosmic eye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video fascinating, leave a siege in the comments, and tell us what you'd miss most if the sun disappeared. BBC, welcome to the channel. Thank you. Subscribe for more incredible space facts every week, and don't forget to check out our next video. What happens if you fall into a black hole? Until then, stay curious.